Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making beef patties. For our ingredients, we have ground beef, green seasoning, garlic cloves, bouillon, salt and pepper. We have mixed peppers, onions, an egg. We have puff pastry sheets. You can buy these at your local grocery store in the frozen section. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You want to prepare the egg wash and set aside. You want to cook your hamburger meat until it is well done or to your liking. You want to season with your green seasoning, your bouillon, your salt and pepper, your onions, and your mixed peppers. You want to mix all this together completely. We are adding our onions and our bouillon and our garlic and our mixed peppers. We are going to mix all this together. You want to cook until it's well done. We just added some soy sauce. Once your meat is done, you want to transfer it to a bowl and set aside. Now we are going to remove our puff pastry sheets from our box. You want these to be room temperature. So you want to take them out of your freezer ahead of time. You want to cut your puff pastries into equal parts. We are adding our egg to the ends of our puff pastry. You want to seal the edges with egg wash using a pastry brush. You want to fill the middle of the puff pastry with your cooked ground beef. I used a fork to seal my ends. I'm going to add egg wash to the top of my beef pastries. You want to place your patties onto a baking sheet and bake on 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. You want to serve warm and enjoy. We have made beef patties, and I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.